Tell me why my recording thing just stopped recording on me. Hello? I don't know if this is going to turn off again, so let's just get into it. Today I had 16 carbs out of 21. I had 149 grams of fat out of 135, and I had 97 grams out of 97 grams of protein. I had 1,792 calories out of 1,692, so I went over by 100. I started the day with an 8-ounce coffee with 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of my Torani hazelnut coffee syrup. That was 1 carb. I ran out of MCT oil, so I didn't have a lot of fat starting off like I usually do. For lunch, I went to the grocery store and I bought the, how do you say it? Delalo hot pepper cheese. It's like pepper jack cheese. And I bought some hard salami by Oscar Mayer. I had used the salami to like wrap the cheese, and then I put a little, I had a little packet of mustard and mayo, and I put a little bit on there, and then I bought those little dilly bites by the O Snap, you know, and I put 2 little pickles inside, rolled it up, and I ate it. So I had 4 slices of that cheese, which I can't talk. 4 slices of that cheese, which was 4 ounces, and I had 9 slices of the salami, and if you ate the whole bag of pickles, that's considered 3 servings, but there's no carbs, there's like no calories, there's like nothing. So I ate the whole bag of pickles, and then I had one of those Bai water, the sparkling waters. It was the coconut lime. So for lunch I had 5 carbs, and then for dinner I had a total of 6 carbs, which I had chopped up a really small yellow bell pepper. So it was about a 1/4 cup chopped. And then I had 1 garlic clove. And I cooked up 4 slices of bacon in the air fryer, which was amazing and so easy to do. I had 1 serving of the triple cheddar shredded cheese blend by Western Family. Excuse me. And I had a teaspoon of bacon bits and heavy whipping cream, a tablespoon of that. I mixed all that together with 5 eggs. Yes, 5, because 1 broke and I needed to cook it. So mixed all that up. I was gonna make an omelet, but my pan was too small for an omelet since I used 5 eggs. So I made scrambled eggs. Didn't think I was gonna eat it all, but I did. So I had that, and then in a video coming either Monday or, yeah, Monday, I made some vanilla chai keto pudding. Vanilla chia keto pudding by Low Carb Yum. So can't wait for that video to come out. I absolutely love this stuff. Only one of my kids liked it, surprisingly. It kind of reminds me of tapioca. I'm really excited for you guys to see that and try it. It's really good. If you like tapioca or you're looking for a pudding substitute, this to me was delicious. So those are my macros for the day. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing on your foods? Did you stay within your limits? Did you try any new recipes? If you did, comment down below. Let me know what you had. Let me know what you guys think about my daily uploads at night. Let me know if I should do them all together in one. Don't worry, be honest. I like honesty. So that's all I got for tonight, guys. I hope you guys are having a great night. Get plenty of sleep, drink plenty of water, and make good decisions, my friends. Love you guys. Bye.